ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kadorbar telang jong ka ying dorbar thau an ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council haga khat khandai tarik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuwai kalaya theria tai sani bha halor ka motion bala wanra adu MDC jong kalyang persha uba auhai Andrew Shulai haga bayade bat ka jing hiran ka platin ka jong ka council ka jing wanra jong new MDC kalyang persha ye kani ka mat kalong halor ka jing kerdu pisa jong ka council na ka daw ka jing le bam salia bat le bam khain snap jong ka sarkar jilla Katkum ka jingatho jong Chief Executive Member ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thombor Shiwan kadai ban yo hadu hendru pulai kelur tam ka pisa na ka sarkar jilla ka badai ka bha na ka jing yo lum khajna ne ki marpo khando bahe ne ki major minerals but marpo khando barit ne ki minor minerals but khajna jong ki kali Shushu uloong bagi dang donru ki khajna ki bahap banya keren penbej bat ka sarkar ki barang sa na dos nem arajar khat saw khat san arajar khat san khan reu bat arajar khan reu khat nyo ki wei ki bele shimbenta ha ka mat yatai ki long deputy CEM uba Laski Rambai uba winning Garland Sungo uba Pasman Dekhar uba Arbor Hima Darnay naloru MDC kaliang persya uba Holando Lamin
Then how much contact grant are we supposed to receive? This is the first, Mr. Chairman, sir. The amount that we have received initially, the first course was for the contact grant. It was about 6 crores in 2,300. And again, for the first token of the contact grant, that's also under process. We are receiving very soon. My understanding that 6 crore in 2,000 is a contact grant which we have received. Yes. Because in the last session, I've asked this question whether the state government has released contact grant or not. So I want to know now, till now also, the government has released the contact grant to us. It's still under process, actually. So may I know, just one clarification, may I know this 50 Finance Commission fund which we have received? What is the Special Committee planning to spend this? Is it equal development or even on or what is the purpose of this? Where to spend this money of the finance received by us? Just, I want to make a clarification in that. The money is already released by the government. Is that like now we are in the process of accepting the commissioner and it will be just to the PO. So very soon the money which is down. So in regard to the question asked by the member, there is a fund to be utilized in that we will have a meeting very soon with one of the committee and we will see and observe and we will be on observation. Thank you. Thank you. Member, what is the reply? Hopefully for that type also we will be able to get and be able to help the people in the constituency. Now, question number 2 is, will the Executive Committee be pleased to state, is there any trading license issued from the period 1st September 2020 to 30th October 2021? If yes, the answer is yes, and the list has been enclosed. The list has been enclosed. It is a very long list, and it is different types of service. What may I know from my observation in the traveling in the highway nowadays? I have seen lots of trucks with the name of Star Cement in the truck vehicle. But I have not seen any trading license issued by this council is this year. Any trading license issued to Star Cement to conduct the transportation business. If we search, while traveling the road, we know now we can search for the number. Many of the trucks belong to Star Cement. But when I look at the trading license has been issued here, none has been issued to I haven't seen any trade license is issued to Star Cement for transportation business. So may I know, with the EM charge, may I know what is the Star Cement applying the trade license, or will it, how can the trucks apply the work without trade license fee?
Kena beritahu mana, bila ada LUC kawan kau berada isu ada pendaki. Mau tiba kalau membuat tiba. Jadi sudah ada pendam. Kalau sungai yang gini dicuci indah, tekan dicuci dua ya no. Bon hari dicuci negara government. Dan tak semasa yang ini dua penman ini dua isu dia ni dikrai mari hal pulai dari sisi memang mali di kopi jadi lah. Motivasi kalau tadi ke pressure wujud. Kenapa kita memang semasa bahwa ini yang di berkaitan dengan international border. Ambil dua dasar ting bahwa kita manusia ini cuma isu kalau gini kita ada contoh.
Pressure. Yes, the pressure, let's see. Now in America, from local NPC, Deputy Commissioner of West Jaya Hills, the one who seeks the opinion of people. Another America, come on, you accept or not? Yeah, the land compensation. Even only is okay, we are not opposed the border fencing. Ibu Bangla, buat Tuan yang penbaca, honorable CM. Kita talk Deputy Commissioner, kualitas dalam kita. Dekat kampung ini orang yang dimilai orang. DC Deputy Commissioner, the sarkar kampung CM pressure ini. Kan, Deputy Commissioner ini yang baik kualitas orang yang dengan tepat komisi yang dan mana institusi kami terus nyampai bersedia support ibu kita tercetai buat ini
biar kita akan berlomba kamu mengambil visi materi lain cem berpat cem orang manfaatkan untuk pembaca boleh beliau sahsi orang ni for ujung utara orang kita hanya ujung utara di si wasan ikan cinta jadi boleh semangat teman kita tahu kalau mana kita semasa naklah ini di si atau lupa kembali kalau kita ini bukan sesuatu mau masih apa tema ngabis kalau dikot kalau di jika ini sudah kita berbeli jadi
how many acting words come and then on of the battle how to
dari luar supaya jadi nanti kalau kita dalam MMGLUC for stone boulder begini stone boulder kita akan sila sangat jadi bagi renewal ada. Kita tak ada itu ada. Cuma dua kita.